Okay, we have a Doosan CNC Vertical Machining Center model Mynx 6500/50, serial number MV0049-001087. Machine was new in 2012. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a FANUC Series 1 CNC control with Easy Guide. The machine also has box weight construction. It has a Cat 50 spindle, Big Plus contact. 6,000 RPM. We're running right now, 500 in the low gear. You have a 30 tool ATC side mount, 1,000 RPM. Chip conveyor, cooling through spindle. Control also has a remote jog handle. Going up. 2,000, that's the high gear? Yep, it's a high gear. 6,000 RPM, again, is the max. And again, it's a 50K per spindle. 3,000, nice and quiet. 4,000 RPM. The table size on this machine is 55 by 26.4. You have 50 inches of X travel, 26.5 of Y, and 24.6 of Z. That's your tool change. I'm going to do it again. Okay. I'm going to run the axes around for you. That's your Z. Nice and quiet. Your Y. And your X. All axes nice and quiet. Telescopic weight covers. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.